Dear students, today I will show you a very important figure that you will face in your examination, especially in the OSPE and Viva examination. Here, this is the schematic diagram of structure of seminiferous tubule and Leydig cells and spermatogenic cells of different generation. Okay, let's see. Here, it is the cut portion of one seminiferous tubule. Okay, just I want to tell you that it is the basement of the seminiferous tubule, and as it is the tubule, so if I extend this as this lumen, okay, here is another lumen, another seminiferous tubule, and if we draw another seminiferous tubule here, okay, so we remove this area and only take one portion. Okay, this structure is present on the other sides of the seminiferous tubule. Okay, here, this side, this side, this side, here, this side, this side. Okay, and these cells are situated in between the seminiferous tubules. Okay, so it is the interstitial cells of the Leydig. As the scientist Leydig invented this term after his name, that interstitial cells of Leydig. Okay, we will remove the other tubules, the other side of this tubule, and we will focus on it. Here already I have told you that this is the basement membrane of the seminiferous, of this seminiferous tubule. Here is the blood vessel, okay, and the vessel wall containing the simple squamous epithelium. Clear? And these are the interstitial cells of the Leydig. Now look at here. Here is one Sertoli cell. When you are asked to show the Sertoli cell, then you have to outline, you have to trace the outline, total outline of the cell. Okay, this is one Sertoli cell, and it is the nucleus of this Sertoli cell. Here is the nucleolus. Here is another Sertoli cell. Okay, this large cell, and this is the Sertoli cell. Okay, I am tracing the cell membranes of the Sertoli cell. Here is the nucleus of this Sertoli cell. This is the nucleolus, and here is another Sertoli cell. Okay, it is another Sertoli cell. Okay, and it is the nucleus of this Sertoli cell. Here is the nucleolus. Here, now look that adjacent Sertoli cells are attached with each other by tight junction. Okay, it is the blood testis barrier. And another thing is that the indentations of the adjacent Sertoli cell produce some compartment. Okay, and this compartment is facing the lumen of the seminiferous tubule, so it is named as Ad-luminal compartment, and this compartment is nearer the basement membrane, so it is the basal compartment. Clear? So basal compartment and Ad-luminal compartment are separated by the blood testis barrier. Now here we are looking some this type of cells. Okay, these are the spermatogenic cell of different generations. Here within the seminiferous tubule, the sex cells or different generation of the spermatogenic cells are arranged in three zones. One is the outer zone. Here this one is the outer zone. Here is the intermediate zone, and here is the inner zone. Okay, the outer zone consists of a population of Spermatogonia, which are the direct descendants of the primitive male sex cells. Spermatogonia contain diploid number of chromosomes, and it is very frequently asked that what is the name of these cells. You have to tell that these are the Spermatogonia, primitive male sex cells, or population of the Spermatogonia. Okay, how many chromosomes do they have? They have 46 number of chromosomes. Clear? Now in case of intermediate zone, it consists of outer layer of the primary spermatocyte. This is the outer layer and it is the inner layer. Okay, so outer layer of the primary spermatocytes here marked by number 2, and inner layer of secondary spermatocytes here marked by number 3. Primary spermatocytes are the daughter cells of Spermatogonia, these cells, okay, and produced by mitotic division. As it is produced by mitotic division, so it will contain the number of the chromosome of its mother cells. So primary Spermatogonia, it will have 46 number of chromosomes. Clear? Now secondary spermatocytes, these are the daughter cells of the primary spermatocytes and are produced by first meiotic division. It is the reduction division. Okay, here chromosome number will be reduced. So the secondary spermatocytes will contain haploid number of chromosome or 23 number of chromosome. Okay. Now come to the spermatogenic cell of inner zone. Inner zone consists of 2 or more row of spermatids. Here only one row is shown, and these spermatids are the daughter cells of the secondary spermatocyte and produced by the second meiotic division. And here the number of the chromosome is also haploid or 23 number of chromosomes. And these are the Spermatozoa, which is produced by the process of spermatogenesis from the spermatids. Okay, so I think this image is very clear to you now. Thank you for watching.